YouTube, it's Louis here. Hope you're all well. We're looking at Elrond today on the daily time frame. Now, we've got above the 20, so as long as we're above it, we're actually going to the 55 EMA. This is at 194. We can continue going, but we may pull back. We don't know yet. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 straight days of up. This is the 5th day. So, doesn't necessarily mean it will pull back now. We just need a pullback soon. And when this pullback comes, obviously that is going to be a golden entry point going forward. Let's be real. Elrond can keep coming up all the way until this high. This is the high that's actually retracing to right now. We're currently above the 618. All we need to do now is back test it as support. Technically now you're above it, you should see it as support, and now that we are above it, you should be in a target to 221, so 221 as a minimal target basically. You can see that would be running into the 382, and I told you guys when we started dumping that this was the most significant level to hold, and if we failed to hold this, we'd be coming to the swing low, and if we lost this, we'd be coming to this double bottom neckline, and we never did that. So could we still be in for that? That remains to be seen, but we can't say that as long as we're above this 0618, we shouldn't head lower. So this actually right now is the bottom. So if it is the bottom, then I can measure from the swing high here. The zero is here, so I know that this is a fake wick, that the candle's actually stopped there, and then all the way down to here. So just to show you guys, 4H time frame, you can see that's exact, and that's exact. But on the daily time frame, it's saying it's not exact, so I don't know why. It just happens on some charts, but yeah. We're basically retracing to the 618, the 05 to 618 golden pocket. Once we get above that, well, we don't even know if we get above that. We could just be going into a bear market and dump like this and then continue down, cascade. So it's all about breaking above $300, but the first significant key level to break is this previous resistance, this previous swing high, which was acting as support, where we did form this descending triangle over here, which I gave you. Then we lost the 050, so if we lose 050 and our target's below it, then it makes sense to say our target is the 0618, and we come down to the 0618, form some sort of double bottom. But we can't get too excited, guys, because this was more of a double bottom, looking like a double bottom than this was. This looked more like a double bottom than this, basically. This is a very hidden one. So you come down, come up, come down, and now we're going up. So you have broken the neckline, haven't back tested it as support. So this is what we need to see done. We need to see that 20 daily EMA come back and test as support. We need to see this 0236 back tested. So yeah, you haven't done that basically since getting above. You haven't come back for support. This does not mean we could. This doesn't mean we can't continue to hit and then pull back. That is that's a high probability that I might do that. We just need to sit back basically. Once Bitcoin starts pulling back, we'll know the rest of pulling back. Once that happens, trades will be ready in my group chat, and then I'll be willing to fire them, getting them ready and entering them once we've pulled back to whatever price that may be. To be honest, guys, I don't care. You know what I mean? I don't care if I've missed out on the buying of here, because first of all, there's no confirmations of support. The only confirmation of support is when you came back to form the second leg. Since breaking out, there's been no confirmation of support. So even this pump here could all be a fake out. We could continue down because, again, you have not found support anywhere. We just keep going up, going sideways, going up, going sideways, going up, going sideways, but no actual back test of support like that, back test of support like that, back test or support like that with spaces in between. You just gone sideways up, sideways up, sideways up, sideways up. You need to come back for support. You haven't tested the EMAs since even getting above them. Look, you broke it on the first attempt, negative, but you have carried on. No back test here, carried on. The first back test here, but that could just be a short-term support before falling below it. Basically, we need to see. So I'm going to get rid of that larger fib now and go back to the smaller fib. So we are retracing to in and around 200, and well, actually we were retracing to this and we're running into that, so I'll do it to there. But once we break this, I'll put it there. So yeah, we got 1618 and the 1414 target back at this previous 382. Once we're above 223, once we're above 223 to 236, that is where we can actually get excited. Hold that support and we can get super excited. At the moment, there is still that risk. We can see that we do have a midpoint being the 050. And actually, once you get above this midpoint, you should be going to the 382, because our range, if you can see, where is support? Where's the previous support 382. Where's the support after? 618. So actually this is your range. The 050 is just sort of some midpoint. You can see when you got to the top of the range, you went to the bottom of the range. So that's how I know that this 050 is just a midpoint. We kind of need to ignore it basically. So as long as we're below this midpoint, we go to the 618. As long as we're above this midpoint, we go to the 0382 at 223. So this would be our next rally basically. That's shown by the technical targets there. Whether we meet the 1618, that is our target, but whether we meet that, that's a different story. Might just retrace to this before a pullback. So we just need to see what happens. I want to see a significant pullback, and that's something we have not seen. You see this, where we've come up impulsively and pulled back. This is a significant pullback. None of this is. And if we look at the XRP chart, it's very, 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 very sus. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot believe this chart. I'm personally an XRP, so amazing, but I'm just so terrified. You know, every pump I've been taking 1% out, 1%, 1%, 1%, securing profits as it's going up, because what you're doing if you're not securing profits, 1% is nothing, you know what I mean? 1% is nothing. So why would you be afraid of selling 1%? I always have those people, oh, but I want exactly 1,000 XRP. Oh, I want exactly 5,000 XRP. Oh, I want exactly 10,000 XRP. And I don't want to take profit till my target's met, and then I sell my 1,000, and then I sell my 5,000, and then I sell my 10,000 XRP. Speaking from experience, guys, you're never going to sell at the top. You're never going to buy the bottom. So that's why you just need to do it incrementally. As we're going up, take 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. Listen, if you took 1% out here, what's the pump? So from here to there, your pump was 9%. If you took 1% out, so your account still went up 8%, and then your account went up 35%. It is as if you never took that money out. It was replaced with the next pump. You see what I mean? So this is why it's important to do that. I know this is XRP now, but I'm talking about any general crypto. The reason I'm showing you the XRP chart is because this was not looking as much as a bottom as this was, and with this it looked way more like a bottom with the massive wick, with this holding support 75 cent, which is a key support in the past as well. And then if we go further back over here, key support in the past, and then we had an amazing rally, complete relief rally out of nowhere. This is more violent. This rally here is more violent than that one, and even this one resulted in horrible circumstances that followed. So technically that could still happen. That could literally still happen. And if that happens with XRP, you know that it will happen with the rest. So we need to watch XRP. Now, I know this is an Elrond update, but everyone needs to watch XRP to see what it's doing. Is it front running the market, or is it going to trick us into thinking, yeah, it's time to start flying? And just as violently as we've gone up, we come crashing down just as quick. So this is what we need to keep eyes peeled on. If you're interested in the group chat, then XRP is a crypto that we will be trading because of its volatility, especially with what's looming over its head. So if you're interested in that, then please wait till the end of this video. I just want to say thank you to guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and help the channel grow to 2K subscribers by the end of this month, and comment what you think is going to happen next with Elrond. Guys, I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.